chemical injection through water-fed pole, whether it's ground level or at height. I'm Gordon from bluetongueindustries.com.au. So while we're talking, I'll set this thing in motion. So take a look, we have a litre of water at its own viscosity, and in this particular vessel here we have 500 mils of a soap, surfactant and water mix. I won't talk about soaps and surfactants, I just wanted to talk about the application and chem injection in this particular system. We're monitoring the flow through a digital flow controller, which will give us an indication of ratios and maximum flows and water quantities through this water-fed pole. So if you're cleaning cars, trucks, buses, building facades, even building facades at height, and you need that chemical for that particular cleaning task, and you want to limit overspray, you can disperse a solution and then through an agitation and rinse clean that particular surface. So we are at 20 degree, nice sunny day here in Melbourne, so that will have an effect also on viscosity. We are running at 50 psi from the garden tap at a good flow rate. So even if you wanted to hook up to a portable RO system like the Quattro or Trion, you'd be able to hook up this chemical injector, this Venturi system, in line with a particular portable RO system like this, or plumb it directly into the garden tap for that soap and surfactants application through your water-fed pole. So we have clicked over 1 litre through our digital flow control, and you can see we've just passed 500 mils of solution. The chem injector has 2 settings, so I have played with it in relation to getting the greatest flow and suction from the suction feed to the water-fed pole at maximum rates and ratios. So 2 litres, we're just flicking over, we've just passed, coming down to, we've just decanted 700 mil as we've just hit 300 mil in the container. So good flows, good ratios to carry out those cleaning tasks, and super simple. You can get us more information at bluetongueindustries.com.au. What I'd like to do now is flick over to a soap and surfactant mix that is 50-50. So at 3 litres there, we've nearly sucked that 1 litre of solution. And our previous tests and experiments was 4 litres for that 1 litre of solution at 50 psi, low flow, low pressure, which is absolutely outstanding, and will be able to assist in those tasks that need those that injection. So we're nearly out there, and we haven't quite hit 4 litres. So quite impressive. We'll just flick over to some soap and surfactant. So obviously the viscosity of this has changed, and you can see through the air bubbles there as we pick up through the Venturi injector and start to decant this 500 ml container of a premix. I won't talk about the soaps and surfactants. You could put through this whatever fancies you in relation to name brand, but the application of that through this particular system is quite simple. Won't talk about the application in regards to fan jets, pencil jets, overhead, doodle pads, microfiber cloths, different brush material. It's just getting that soaps and surfactants where you need it to clean that particular vehicle, fleet or building exterior task. Hope this information has helped in regards to those particular duties that may have called within your business. Once again, 1300 88 4566. Happy to take those calls and answer any more questions. We'll see you on the next video.